Kind of reminds me of Alfred Hitchcock. They're making a lot of noise. There are a lot of birds. Looks like all blackbirds. I see a couple red-winged blackbirds up there. I don't know if I step out if they'll all fly away when I'm talking like this. Look, to get some of them excited. I can see, I don't know, I can see red-winged blackbird right up there, but I don't know if my camera will zoom in good enough for you to see it. They're not all red wings, but there are some. Wow, there they go. Something got them going. Maybe me. Oh, they go very far. Amazing. This is an old Texas. I learned this at hog camp. I made a video on how to do this. This is breakfast, actually scrambled eggs, leftover chili from last night, and cheese on a low carb tortilla. And I gotta add a little Texas Pete. This is one of, I got a lot of favorites, but I learned this in hog camp. Manny was one of the guides down there, and camp cook, and he made this one morning. Oh, so good. I gotta have it from time to time. Ah, look at the goodness!